The future is electric, and BYD is leading the charge with the all-new 2025 Atto 3. A compact SUV that's packed with innovation, style, and features that set it apart from the crowd. Let's start with the exterior. The Atto 3 comes with a refreshed design for 2025, featuring sharper lines, a bold front grille, and striking LED headlights. One of the biggest upgrades is the enhanced 75 kWh blade battery, which extends the range to an impressive 320 miles, 515 kilometers, on a single charge. This means more time on the road and less time at the charger. Inside, the Atto 3 boasts a 15.6-inch rotating touchscreen, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making your digital life on the road seamless. The upgraded Harman Kardon sound system delivers premium audio, perfect for those long drives. Under the hood, or should I say beneath the floor, the Atto 3 is powered by a 201 horsepower electric motor. It accelerates from 0 to 60 mph in just 7.1 seconds, offering both performance and efficiency. Front-wheel drive is standard, but there's also an optional all-wheel drive version for those needing extra grip on tougher terrains. And now let's talk about the all-important pricing. The 2025 BYD Atto 3 starts at around $36,000 for the base model, while the fully loaded version with all-wheel drive and extra tech features can go up to $42,000. A competitive price for a car offering so much. To sum it up, the 2025 BYD Atto 3 delivers a stylish, tech-filled experience with a range that can compete with the best. Whether you're commuting in the city or going on a road trip, this EV is ready to take you there. So, what do you think about the 2025 BYD Atto 3? Is it your next ride? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest EVs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.